Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ventilating and protecting yourself. Gloves and goggles matter. Mix 1/2 cup mild detergent in a bucket of warm water, then wet the paint edges so the film softens. Use a plastic scraper at a low angle. Pry gently to lift flakes without scratching grout. Once paint lifts, wipe with a microfiber cloth to remove residue. If paint resists, switch to a damp cloth with a few drops of dish soap and let it soak for 10 minutes before scraping again. Once simple scraping stalls, identify paint type, latex versus oil, and choose solvent accordingly. Apply denatured alcohol for latex paint. Use acetone sparingly on oil-based spots, but always test in a hidden area. Dab solvent with a cloth, wait 3 to 5 minutes to let the binder break down, then use a metal blade at a very shallow angle to shave the softened paint. Make sure to work in short sections, reapply solvent as needed, and neutralize surface with warm soapy water to stop chemical action. You finish by rinsing and buffing. Use a non-abrasive pad and glass cleaner to restore gloss, and reseal grout if the process removed sealant. For stubborn haze, a 1:1 vinegar and water solution will lift residue. Rinse thoroughly and dry. If small patches of paint persist after repeating the solvent and scraping cycle, stop and consider professional help to avoid chipping or etching the tile. Troubleshooting tip: if grout softens or tile dulls, halt and neutralize immediately. Seek a specialist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.